Audio Jungle.
American Airlines on Tuesday announced a new service that allows passengers to bypass checking in with the masses and head straight to the tarmac without the usual hassle. Travelers can even avoid walking into the airport with fellow flyers and lining up for security screenings with the latest addition to AA's 5-star benefits. The top tier of 5 luxury levels is a collaboration with Blade, a company that acts like the Uber of small aircraft travel and means no more waiting in traffic on the way to the airport or lugging heavy bags around. That's if you can afford the approximate $1,600 price tag, not including the cost of an AA flight. Available almost door-to-door for LAX and JFK, passengers can hop in a chopper from the nearest local departure location. In Los Angeles, there are pickup points in the downtown La and at Santa Monica Airport, and the entire journey to the airport is drastically cut to 5 minutes. Following the stylish landing at JFK or LAX, an airline representative is on hand the rest of the way, aiding a transfer to a Cadillac which takes flyers straight to the terminal. At JFK, priority check-in, dining and lounge access is available, and staff can help arrange cars for onward travel. However, in LA the experience really goes up a notch. After being personally escorted through customs, where a dedicated officer is on hand to check documents, there's another smooth car journey to the departure gate. A personal assistant makes sure the passenger steps from the vehicle onto the tarmac and is comfortably in their seat before takeoff. When arriving at LAX, an assistant leads the way for privately clearing customs. Flyers can wait in the private suite until luggage arrives or head straight home thanks to VIP baggage delivery within the greater Los Angeles area, meaning there's no need to lift a finger. It's available to anyone flying American from the big cities, but adding considerable extra costs to a coast-to-coast trip. Those who take advantage will want to have the cash to spare. American Airlines states the Blade helicopter service is available as a private charter for up to 6 people. Splitting the cost of helicopter journeys between the local area and airport in both the AA departure and arrival cities, factoring in the same for a return, could run up to $1,250 each. An additional $350 is applied to standard Blade fees, AA states, leaving the total cost around $1,600 if you're lucky. Without the Blade helicopter, the private departure and private arrival services are each available for $1,200 for 2 people.